Hi guys, it's Kevs again and welcome back to another video. In today's video is going to be another review video, and I'm going to be reviewing the zebra billy cans. As you know, probably from the look of the colour of these pots, any kit I review or recommend has always been extensively tested out in the field over at least a period of at least 12 months. In this case, this is probably 4 years and 3 years. They've had some hammer these pots, so yeah, you know that they've been extensively tested. So obviously these are from Thailand, and I think the original usage for them was their packed lunch boxes. So they come with a little plating, and I think they'd have the sauce in the bottom and then they'd have the rice on the top, and that would be their pack up. You know, even the kids would carry these off to school. They do come with plastic retaining clips, but they normally just burn off on a good fire, but I take mine off as soon as I purchase it. But you can buy modded replacements. They are pretty much bomb proof. You know, if you've seen anybody's videos, a lot of people use these systems and they go strong forever. Now, saying that, I am one of the only people I know that have actually broke one of these just here. I'll bring the camera in closer in a second. So mine has got a split here on this 14cm version, and that was because I purchased a 13.5 centimetre kettle and I wedged it in, and eventually I got a split. So I'm the only person I know in the outdoor community that's you're putting me off. That's not what you're doing. Yeah, that being said, I am one of the only people I know of in the outdoor community that's actually broke one of these things that are that bomb proof. And that I've got a split here. I'll bring the camera in for a better angle in a minute and show you. I've got a tiny split. I purchased a 3.5 centimetre kettle, a 13.5 centimetre kettle, sorry, to go in this 14cm pan, and it was alright for the first few uses. And then when it got a bit dirty and a bit grubby like this does, it just wouldn't go, and I ended up forcing it too hard and I have split it. But that was me, that was misuse of the equipment. It was nothing to do with the quality. An awesome feature of these cans is they can be used for ovens. A lot of people just put a little grill in there or file down the edges and put the actual plate in, and you can slide that in, use it on its side in the fire, pretty much like that, and you can do little cakes and bread rolls and stuff like that. So this 10cm pan weighs 454 grams. Obviously it's 10cm by 10cm by 11.9. They're all stainless steel, both versions, and like I said, they do normally have the locking handles, but I've removed that feature. The bigger pan, the 14cm, is 885 grams, 14 by 14 by 14 centimeters. So yeah, I'm going to give these. Oh, a little story was that I think it was Ray Mears that made these popular. I know he now sells them on his Woodland site. You know, and I think he made the popular, and everyone made the transition over to buying them. So yeah, I'm going to give these, I'm going to have to give them 10 out of 10. They are awesome, they are strong. They don't pack so great, so maybe a 9.5, you know, because of that handle. I wish it was just a little bit longer and wrapped totally under. That would be perfect. So when I've got these in my side pouch, they sit like that, and you try and wedge something behind it, like my titanium plate there in my side pouch, you know. And I've just wished that the handle was a little bit longer just to fit underneath. Yeah, so we'll go for 9.5 then. I know I broke this one, but that was me misusing it. Solid, super strong pieces of kit, and well travelled, as you'll see from most YouTubers. You know, we'll take them all over. So yeah, 9.5s on the zebra billy can, 10cm, 14cm. Thanks for watching, guys. The links will be in the description to Amazon to go and have a look at these, and we'll catch you in the next video.